Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 7th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Tesla is having a nice recovery today also. We closed at 1051.75. That's up $42.74. That's good for 4.24%. Post-market, we are even up a further 49 cents. So let's look at what we have here. If you remember, yesterday we touched this resistance, confirming that this triangle is really something that we need to take a look at. And today we gapped up. So we opened up higher and we have a green candle with the longer wick at the bottom, pretty much like we had yesterday. We had a long wick here showing some buying pressure, but we were stopped by the resistance. We could have, now we have this nice buying pressure at the bottom. And we are coming on to one of our resistance that we had at 1054.69. We can officially say that Tesla is back into the triangle. So the stock was strong enough to come back in. So I need to put this in green. Let's go see how it played out during the day. Looking at the 1 hour chart. Yesterday we had closed right here and we paused at around $1,000. And Tesla does that often. When it starts to come back, then it likes to gap up. This is a stock that is quite volatile, so it likes to gap up. So if you think the stock is going to go up the next day, or if it's stabilizing quite well, you might want to enter in because the next day it can gap up by 20, 30, or $40. This is basically what happened today. It was not a sure bet. It was a nice bet because stochastic was not over 60. It was not for sure that it was going to go up, but looking at this now, we see that the strength is coming back. So Tesla strength is starting to come back. So the first hour was the gap up. Then we came back towards 1026, pretty much went sideways. And if we look at this decreasing resistance height right here, so we broke that resistance. I'm going to put that green. We broke that resistance right here. This downtrend from December 1st is no longer valid. So it's no longer in a downtrend from this perspective here. And we are now within a small congestion zone, and we have a support right now, an intraday support at 1040.19. And looking at stochastic is nice. So stochastic at 72, RSI above 50. We have MACD that crossed over bullish approximately right here. So nothing to complain about that. So it was a good move today, and it seems like the move is going to last from an hour perspective. On the daily perspective, then, of course, the indicators, it's going to take a while for the indicators to start reacting to it, and they won't react entirely because we are into the last part of this symmetrical triangle. So this is what the stock should be doing. So by the time we go up here, a stochastic might be going up a little bit higher. MACD maybe won't have time to cross over bullish when the stock might be going down. We are again coming at a point where the indicators, we need to be a little careful about them because there is not a lot of candle between highs and the lows that the stock is going to do. Please keep that in mind. But then the big move won't happen until we break this resistance right here. So this is the resistance that we need to break in order to have a big move and possibly a move back into this very steep bullish channel that we had in the past. So maybe this going back there is going to happen only once we are going to hear about the production numbers towards the end of the month. So it would not be impossible that we have to wait for that. But if you trade on the 1 hour chart, there is money to be made right here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.